Hey guys, Andrew King here from AndrewDoesReviews.com. Welcome to my 1 hour workday review. I'm here inside the members area and the cloud-based software, and today I'm gonna give you a full demo and a walkthrough on how it works and what it does. I'm also gonna share with you the pricing and the upsells and if they are worth picking up. And I have secured for you the best bonus bundle ever alongside your 1 hour workday purchase. So without further ado, let's get right into the review. Basically, what 1 hour workday is, it's a two-part system where they give you a software and a training. Now the software will enable you to create content from YouTube videos. It will go ahead and transcribe YouTube videos into 100% unique content, and then you can sell that content to your customers or businesses. They're also going to show you on how to find these businesses inside the training, so you don't have to worry about that. They're going to show you on how to cold call them, how to send them emails, and where to find clients for their service. You can also set blogs for these customers. You can offer to set them blogs. So basically, you're going to work as a freelancer, and this software is going to help you automate the whole process. So if you are interested, then stick with me during this review. I'm gonna jump right into the software in just a second, but if you would like to pick up 1 hour workday anytime during watching this review video, just click on the first link down below in description if you are watching on YouTube, and come through to my bonus page, then scroll down and click on one of these buttons right here. You'll be taken to the sales page where you can scroll down and pick up your copy of 1 hour workday. Now remember, you have to do that once this offer goes live, which is on the 5th of September at 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Only then these buttons will be valid and you can go to the sales page and pick up your copy. Now you have to do that before the countdown timer on my bonus page hits 0, because once it does, you would have missed out on my bonuses, and I don't want you to miss out on these bonuses. These are exclusive to me and they are not going to be available through anybody else's link apart of mine. So bear in mind, if you would like access to 1 hour workday plus all my bonuses free of charge, you have to pick it up via my bonus page. Now my first bonus is going to be access to Stomper Pro. I'm going to give you this cool software launched by Brendan Mays. I think he's still selling this for $67, but I have the license rights, so I can give it away to you for free. Now this software is going to enable you to search clients, and it's going to give you their email addresses. So basically, this is going to automate the process even further for you. Nobody else is going to give you this software. You can only get access to this via my link. So basically, this software will help you find clients through Google and Yelp and all the search engines, and it will go ahead and siphon those emails from these businesses, and then you can cold call them or contact them right inside the software. So this is my first bonus. It's selling for like $67 or $97, I can't remember, but you're gonna get this for free as my first bonus. My second bonus, I'm gonna give you reseller license rights to over 30 products. Now these products have made over $4 million in revenue combined. Now, I know what you are thinking, this is like bullshit. If you know Brendan Mays, I'm gonna give you access to all Brendan Mays' previous products. You can resell them as your own. You're gonna get the whole package, and you're gonna be able to bank 100% commissions and sell these products as your own. Feel free to search Brendan Mays on Warrior Plus. You'll see that he makes over 2,000 sales each launch on average. So basically, these products are high quality, and I'm gonna give you reseller license to sell them and hopefully make more money online. The bonus number 3 is gonna be a hack on how to drive hundreds. I'm sorry, English is not my first language, and I'm making this video without my webcam, so I'm a bit stressed. Please excuse me. Let's continue. My third bonus is going to be a hack on how to drive hundreds of targeted traffic using Instagram. Now, Instagram is a really powerful traffic source. I'm going to show you on how to drive traffic from Instagram or how to find targeted clients on Instagram any way you can use this traffic any way you want. You can either drive them to your affiliate offers, you can grab that content that you're gonna get using the software, post it on your website, include affiliate links, and then send traffic to that article and hopefully make sales. You can do whatever you want with it. This is really cool. I'm gonna show you a quick hack on how to drive hundreds of targeted traffic from Instagram. My fourth bonus is going to be access to my mega bonus bundle. Now let me pause the video and show you my mega bonus bundle real quick. I'm back. So here is my mega bonus bundle. Nobody else is going to give you this. You're going to get this as my mega bonus bundle. So $1,000 commission video. This is from a multimillionaire. He's going to show you how to make $1,000 per day. This is really cool using affiliate marketing. Digital coaching program. This is digital coaching program from Brandon Mays. He used to sell this for $997 actually, but you're gonna get this for free. I know this is crazy, but you can search. Everything I'm saying is legit. You can search for his digital coaching and you can see that he's selling it for $997. We have Buyerzilla Pro, license rights to everything. I already gave you that. Done for you campaigns part 1 and 2. We have passive income training with Neil. If you want to get into solo ads, this is really cool for you. He's going to show you how to get into the solo ads business. High ticket training, Pinterest marketing software, Instagram Wizard, Facebook Ninja, my passive income sources, Cartel Pro, Goodwill Pro, Twitter Tornado, and all these extra bonuses. I'm not gonna go over them because it takes a lot of time. Anyway, this is my mega bonus bundle. My last bonus is gonna be access to all the vendors' bonuses. These are the bonuses that the vendor gave to me to give to you. Now, I don't know what these bonuses are, but what I do know is that most other affiliates are gonna be offering these bonuses alone. I have gone above that and gave you access to all my extra exclusive bonuses for 1 hour workday. So feel free to check out what other affiliates are offering in terms of bonuses. Once you realize that my bonuses are the best and the most useful, you can come back to my video and you can pick it up via my link. Excuse me for all the the grammar errors. I'm not I'm not a fluent English speaker, so bear with me for a second. Let's jump right into the software. I know most of you guys are waiting for this, so let me just jump right into the training, show you what's inside the training, then we can jump into the software and show you how this works. So basically, this is the training that you're gonna get. It's from Mosh Barry right here. He's gonna show you how to find clients, how to create content in 45 seconds. We also have how to find clients using YouTube, how to find clients on Fiverr, blah, blah, blah. I'm not going to go through the whole thing. You have to purchase the software and the training in order for you to get access on this. I'm not going to share the whole method. Basically, this is the software that you're going to get access to. It's really simple. So what you do first is you go here to campaigns and you add a new campaign. You give it a name and you give it a description. So I'm gonna type in blah blah blah. I know it's just an example. Click on create, and basically we have our campaigns here. So we have this one that I originally created before. You can preview it. Let me just wait for it. Okay, here we go. So there is a new job here. You can add new jobs. So basically, let me show you how this works. So add new job. So YouTube videos, job keywords. You can add job keywords, fetching for content, and then we have action. So let me show you on how to create content. This is really simple. You can watch the demo video on my bonus page to learn how to do that. It's literally 49 seconds. It's not gonna take a lot of your time. Let me just go here to the content section, and basically all you do is you click on get content and then you paste your YouTube video. For some reason, once I did that, it tells me that that video, it doesn't have any content. Maybe this is because this is just a demo copy, but basically what it does, once you click on get content and you choose a YouTube video related to the content that you want to create, and then you click on go. It's gonna transcribe that YouTube video into content, and basically you can use that content and sell it to different clients. Let me show you an example here. So introduction to affiliate marketing. I'm just gonna click on view, and this is the content. This is just an example of the content that you're gonna get. So it transcribed that video into content. You can copy the content and sell it. You can use it on your own website, whatever, bro. You can do whatever you want with it because the possibilities are limitless. You can also click on blog setup right here and set up blogs for different clients. So they're gonna give you the name, URL, WordPress username, and login tags, and then you're gonna click on create, and basically you have set up their own blog. The software is gonna do everything for you. It's as simple as that. Hope you understood. So let me talk to you about the pricing in the upsells. For the front end, you're gonna get access to this for $12.97. Everything I just showed you, including the training and the software, is gonna cost you $12.97. And you have like a credit, so it's credit based. Now the upsell number one is gonna be the 1 hour work task killer for $26.97. Now I don't recommend you to pick this up for the, if you want to pick up the first upsell, which is the task management. They usually pay for you usually have to pay for $199 per month, but they are charging you like $26.79. You can still get it for the downsell price, which is the same exact software, task management software, for $21.79, but you only get 50 users. You can sell this to 50 clients, and you can charge them up to $200 per month. So if you have 5 clients, that means you have $1,000 recurring commissions coming into your bank account each and every month. So this is definitely a one to consider. Definitely consider picking up the upsell number one. Upsell number two is gonna be the 1 hour workday task killer unlimited. So you're gonna get the unlimited version of the software. Of course, you have to purchase one of these subscriptions in order for you to be able to purchase the upsell number two. This is gonna cost you $67, and all limits are lifted. I definitely recommend you to pick this up, but pick it up for the downsell price of $47 because it's the same exact thing, which is the Task Killer Unlimited. This is really cool. You can offer this as a service, and all it's gonna cost you is $21.79 if you choose this one per month, plus $47 one-time payment. So you pay $47 one-time payment, and then you pay $21.79, and you can host or you can do task management for up to 50 clients, which I think is really cool. Upsell number three is going to be the 1 hour workday agency license for $67. You'll be able to get access to the tour agency license, and you can sell their services and accounts to their for the Task Killer software dashboard. So basically you can sell the Task Killer software as your own for $67. I don't recommend you to pick this up, but however, if you want to pick it up anyway, definitely go for the downsell number three because it's $47. Upsell number four is gonna be the 1 hour workday reseller rights for $77. You'll be granted approval to promote 1 hour workdays and earn 100% commission on the front end for $77. It should say something like $57 here on the downsell. Anyways, I don't recommend you to pick this up because I think it's not worth your money. Upsell number five is going to be the 1 hour workday gold miners club for $39 a month. Again, I don't know what this says exactly to be honest. So this is a club for elite members. Every month they get access to our products in full funnel, 100% commission. So this is basically reseller rights for each and every product they launch every month. I don't recommend you to pick this up even if it's for $39 a month. I don't think this is a good deal because basically they launch other products that they are not related to freelancing. They usually launch products related to affiliate marketing. So unless you are interested in that, don't pick this up. Upsell number 6 is gonna be the 1 hour workday white label rights for $3.99. You get label rights for the Taskillar softwares. Customers can do anything they want with the rights. There is a downsell for $2.99. I don't recommend you to pick this up. This is highly overpriced for $3.99, like $400. Even for $300, I think this is highly overpriced for the software. However, if you want to get white label rights and sell it as your own, do whatever you want with it, you can pick this up for $2.99 rather than $3.99 and save a huge $100. I hope you like my review. If you have any questions, please leave them down below in the comments. If you haven't watched the demo video, go watch it on my bonus page. Just click on the first link down below and you'll be able to watch the demo video and decide if you want to pick this up via my link. Again, if you have any questions, leave them down below. If you have watched this video up until this second, please subscribe and hit that bell for more upcoming videos. And I'll see you guys soon. Peace out.